Introducing the ultimate grab-and-go snow busting tool, 24V-SS10 from Snow Joe. Combining innovation and functionality, Snow Joe provides an easy, convenient, and cordless solution to get snow out of your way this winter. Powered by Snow Joe's exclusive Ion Plus 24-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery system, 24V-SS10 delivers up to 24 minutes of battery runtime to quickly clear snow from your porch, patio, driveway, deck, and more. The light choice is the right choice with Snow Joe. Weighing less than 10 pounds, 24V-SS10 shreds up to 1,632 pounds of snow per charge, while the dual-handle design eliminates the need to bend and strain, maximizing user comfort and ease of use. Equipped with a heavy-duty 2-blade paddle auger, Snow Joe throws snow up to 20 feet away, clearing a 10-inch wide by 6-inch steep path with each pass. And the durable scraper blade at the base of the unit lets you clear to the ground without damaging your deck, driveway, or pavement. And when the work's done, simply plug the battery pack back in again so it's recharged and ready for the next snowfall. So when it comes to snow, go with Joe, the 24V-SS10 24-volt cordless snow shovel from Snow Joe. Get equipped.